Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad with bacon. Start by boiling 2 pounds of potatoes until fork tender and cooling them completely. Crisp 8 slices of bacon and chop them, saving a tablespoon of bacon fat for flavor. Hard boil 4 eggs and chop roughly. Combine mayo, mustard, vinegar, salt, and pepper, then toss with potatoes, eggs, and bacon for a balanced, savory salad. Gently mixing keeps the salad textured and attractive, so fold rather than stir aggressively. Combine 1 cup mayo, 2 tablespoons Dijon, and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar for a bright, creamy dressing. Season gradually with salt and pepper, tasting as you go to reach the right balance. Fold in chopped eggs and crisp bacon pieces, reserving a few for garnish. Chill briefly so flavors marry before serving. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker fills the kitchen with crisp sound so you can time boiling potatoes to a playlist, and it can set timers hands-free while you fry bacon. I love using it to cue recipe steps and keep the vibe light. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Presentation makes the dish inviting, so finish with chopped chives and a light dusting of smoked paprika. Serve the potato salad chilled for picnics or slightly cooler than room temperature for dinner tables. It pairs wonderfully with grilled meats and sandwiches, or stands alone as a hearty side. Offer pickles or crisp celery on the side for crunch, and remind guests to take seconds if they love bacon.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.